Now this month we also have a warehouse sale, which is great because everything in the warehouse sale is $25 or less, which is awesome. It's like right up my alley, right? So I'm going to show you guys what's on the sale and just kind of what deals you can get or stock up, right? So the first thing that's on the warehouse sale is a set of 3 counter cloths. So these are our counter cloths. They're great for little kitchen spills and cleanups. They remove up to 99% of bacteria from your surfaces. They dry quickly. I have a counter cloth box house. See that little house back there? And I love it for my counter cloths. I'm going to show you what size they are, and then I'll show you what color and how much these are. So these are the size of a half paper towel. They are great. I use them all the time. Now the color that they come in the warehouse sale is the sea mist with the mushroom trim. So nice. And it does come in a set of 3. And normally they're $22.99 and you can get those for $18.99. Great savings. All right, the next item on the list in the warehouse sale is our toilet spray. I have these in all of our bathrooms. I'm a boy mom. And if you are a boy mom, you know what I'm talking about. The bathroom can be a scary place to enter for a woman or for a guest, right? When you're in a house full of boys. So the toilet spray is great. You basically just do 2 pumps of this in the toilet bowl before you go, and no one will know. It has activated enzymes in it that actually eat away at the smells, and the natural essential oils trap the odor under the water so it doesn't escape into the air. So literally, no one will know when they go. How awesome. So this is normally $13.99 and it's on sale this month for $11.99. The next item is some of my favorites. It's the body and face pack. You get a set of 3 of these. This is actually my set I've had for a while. This is a smaller size. I think it's 8 by 8. They come in a pack of 3. They are normally $21.99, on sale for $17.99 this month. And what I really love about these is when I travel. I love having one of these in my purse when I'm out with my baby granddaughter to wipe her face instead of using those nasty baby wipes. I like keeping it in my makeup bag when we go out of town. It's just so nice. I don't need to take anything else to exfoliate and cleanse my face. It just works really good. So a nice set of 3 of those for $17.99. All right, next one is our dual. So I just realized I don't have one of the items on here. Let me grab it. It is one of our newer Chenille hand towels, and I do have one right here. So it is the ribbon Chenille hand towel in this pretty Caribbean blue color. Now you can use it with a plain side facing out, or it has an embedded like a ribbon on the other side. So pretty. These remove bacteria from your hands. They dry your hands. I actually only wash mine like once a month. That's super soft microfiber, and they really look pretty hanging on the towel bar in bathrooms. I also have one in front of my sink in the kitchen, and I love them. So this is on sale for $24.99. It's normally $30.99. So that's great. The next item is the dual-sided mitt. So this mitt really comes in handy, especially if maybe you're going over to someone's house to help them tidy up, like a mom or a grandma. This is like a 2-in-1 mitt. So one side is the window cloth, the other side is the dust mitt. And look how pretty that is for spring. I'm ready for spring. And just remember, with the dust mitt, you want to put a static charge in it, and then it will hold on to all of the dust particles. And then your window mitt is your cleaning cloth. You use both of these dry. Use this dry to clean windows, mirrors, shiny surfaces, etc. It's just so nice. Now, the normal price on this is $21.99, and this is on sale for $17.99, which is great. Okay, next up, we have an item that my daughter actually took from me. She borrowed it. Does anyone have a teenage daughter or an older daughter who borrows things, which means you're never going to see them again? I love her, and I'm so glad she likes it, but it is one of my favorite things. It's the Norwex Optic scarf. And I'm going to show you the size. So I use this for my glasses, like my sunglasses, my reading glasses, my cell phone surfaces. If I'm out with kids and they have any devices, if we're traveling, I use this to remove bacteria off of devices, clean the smudges off of my reading glasses. So this is the size, and actually this is the color. It's called Cordovian. So it's a very pretty maroon color, and I had it hanging on my black handbag because they all have these nice little clips, but it's gone. So that's okay. I love you, Whitney. I'm glad you love it. But I do need to get another one, so I'm super excited that it's on the sale this month. And so that Optic scarf is on sale for $16.99, and regular price is $19.99. So nice little savings there. To have my like saying that over and over again. Okay, the next item is a window cloth in a limited edition navy and gray like striped pattern. This is great if you, let's see, if you need an extra window cloth. I love having a window cloth hanging in my bathroom. I just keep one under the sink. That way in the mornings, like when the mirror or the glass shower doors are steamy and foggy, I just quickly wipe them down with this. And then my windows are always smudge free. The glass is smudge free, the mirrors. It's just so nice to have a couple extra of these. And so this is on sale for normally $20.99. It's on sale for $16.99, which is great. Next up, we have the dusting mitt in this beautiful purple, which we call amethyst color. Always put your static charge in here. This replaces all your furniture polish. It's amazing. $20.99 regular price. You can get this for $17.99, which is awesome. And I love the mitt. I love that I have like a thumb hole. I really have full control with that little baby. Okay, next we have counter cloth sponges. These are so fun. It's a set of 2 and they're on sale for $17.99, normally $21.99. So one side is your Enviro cloth and the other side is the counter cloth material. So both sides will remove bacteria from a surface. They have a nice spongy center, so they're great for little spills. I actually this morning I cleaned grease off my stovetop with one of these and water, and it just works so good. And when you're done, you just rinse them out, let them dry, and if they get really dirty, just throw them in the washing machine. So again, normally $21.99. These are on sale for $17.99. We're almost done. If you like smell goods, which I do, I love essential oils. We do have an essential oil. It's our orange sandalwood essential oil. I diffuse this. I also put it directly on my dryer balls, which is great. It gets a nice scent in the laundry, and this is a nice neutral scent. So the men in my house don't mind it, and I love it. So it is woodsy, earthy, but in a really fresh. It kind of reminds me of Douglas fir, if you know what that smells like. And it's called orange, but Douglas fir with like a citrusy twist. Does that make sense? I hope it does. But really great. I love this. It only takes a little bit too. All right, so that is on sale for $16.99, normally $22.99. So that's a good deal. The Veggie scrub mitt, which I'm obsessed with. I have not peeled vegetables in forever, like my potatoes and carrots. So this is just like our produce cloth, but it's in a mitt form, which is great. So when you're cleaning potatoes and carrots, you just rub your hand over them, clean all of the excess dirt or anything like that's left over from the farm or from the grocery store. So clean them off. And then you're actually still left with the skin, but it's clean. So you're not missing out on all the essential fiber and nutrients that's in the skin of our produce. So really great. This is normally $16.99, on sale for $14.99. All right, next one is our Probiotic deodorant. Now, our Lacer Probiotic Whitening Toothpaste. It is actually the only item that I'm out of. I had just ran out of it this morning, but I didn't realize that I was going to make this video, and I tossed the container. So it's actually, the container's cool. It's made out of sugar cane. So it's a really nice container, and you would think, oh, that would melt with like sugar, you know, when sugar and water mix, but it doesn't. It's a nice thick, almost like a plasticky type of material, but it's not made out of plastic. It's really cool. And the toothpaste is the only toothpaste I use. I actually use it all the time, which is why I run out of it all the time. But it's one of my favorite items. It's normally $12.99 and it's on sale this month for $10.99. Here's what it looks like. It's this little tube right here. Okay, just a couple more items. If you have a little one in your life that wears glasses or likes to wear sunglasses, this is our petite Optic scarf in the geometric pattern. And it has this nice little hook and nothing scratchy on here. It's not a metal hook like our other one. And you just clip it on their backpack or even a purse. And this is great for on the go, cleaning their glasses. If they have a device, a school laptop, this removes the bacteria off of all of that stuff. It's just a great little item for them to have when they're out and about enjoying their day. And that is normally $17.99. It's on sale for $14.99, which is pretty good. We also have our Enviro cloth in sage on sale this month. Sage is one of my favorite colors from Norwex. I actually have all the kitchen towels and cloths in sage. I love this color. Normally $19.99. This Enviro cloth is $16.99. Our Enviro cloth is our flagship product. It is your go-to, your heavy-duty cleaning cloth for the entire house. Removes bacteria. You just get it wet with water and go, 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 go. Great. And then last but not least, we have our foaming hand wash. It's unscented, and I have these in all of my bathrooms. They're great. I'm very sensitive to like synthetic fragrances, synthetic dyes. So I love that even the ones that we have that are scented with natural essential oils. But the one on sale is unscented. And what I actually like to do with the unscented foaming hand wash is I'll take a couple drops of my favorite essential oil, whatever it might be, and I'll just put a couple drops right inside the bottle. Give it a little shake, and now I have the scent that I want. So you can customize it. So that is normally $16.99 on sale for $13.99. So that wraps up our warehouse sales for February. I hope you enjoyed this information. Comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.